Accelerated Math Objective 157. Use information from a table or a chart to solve a problem. Question 39. A school raised money from ticket sales to a school talent show. The table shows how many tickets were sold. We can see on the left-hand side we have the kind of ticket for adult, child, senior citizens, and then the total. Along this line we see the number of tickets sold, the cost for each ticket, and the profit per ticket, which means how much the school was actually able to keep from the sale of each ticket. Question wants to know how much profit was made from the sale of adult tickets and senior citizen tickets. So we know that we're going to be looking at this line for the adults and this line for our senior citizens. Here we see that 15 adult tickets were sold at a ticket profit of $1.50. In order to figure out how much total profit the adult ticket sales were, we will have to multiply the number of tickets, 15, times the profit per ticket, or $1.50. So we have $1.50 times 15. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 5 is 25. Carry our 2. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 2 is 7. Put our placeholder in. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 5 is 5. And 1 times 1 is 1. We'll add these together. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. Carry our 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Don't forget, we're working with money here, and we can see that we need to move our decimal over 2 places. So we move our decimal over 2 places and include our dollar sign. We know that the total amount profited from the adults was $22.50. Now we need to figure out how much of a profit the school made from senior citizen ticket sales. We can see that a total number of 30 tickets were sold at a profit of $1 per ticket. So again, we need to multiply $1 times 30. 0 times 0 is 0. 0 times 0 is 0. 0 times 1 is 0. Put our placeholder in. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 1 is 3. Then we'll add these together. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. And then we bring our 3 down. Again, since we're working with money, we know we need to move our decimal 2 places. So we'll add that here for a total of $30. The question wants to know how much profit was made from the sale of adult tickets and senior citizen tickets. Since we have those separately here, we need to add them together to find out the total profit. Moving over here, we have a total of $30 for our senior citizens, and we have a total of $22.50 for our adult tickets. We add those together. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 0 is 2. And 2 plus 3 is 5. For a total of $52.50, which is answer choice B.